Everything that is explained in this video is summarized from CoinMarketCap. Now take a look at this. US SEC makes new filings in Ripple case while XRP suffers. Ripple and the United States Securities and Exchange Commission have been engaged in a protracted legal struggle, which has just witnessed another set of hearings. This comes as a result of both parties coming together to create a plan to manage difficulties with document sealing. It had a connection to the forthcoming briefings that were related to remedies. There appears to be a great deal of hardship for XRP amid the legal processes in the Ripple case. New filings are made by the SEC. It was revealed by Attorney James Phelan that the United States Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) has made the initial papers in the subsequent round of the court proceedings. The opening remedy-related brief and supporting papers were included in the submission made by the commission. He stated that these materials are not yet available to the general public by no later than Tuesday, March 26, 2024. The United States Securities and Exchange Commission (MISTI) will submit a public version that contains redactions. On the other hand, to determine the redactions that are desired by each side and third parties, both parties will meet and confer on March 25. The joint plan has previously made an effort to guarantee that the briefs would be accessible to the public prompt. The price of XRP is already experiencing a continual loss of momentum, which is occurring amid this legal action. The price of XRP has decreased by approximately 3 over the past 7 days, and it has decreased by approximately 4 over the past 24 hours. As of the time of this publication, the native cryptocurrency of Ripple is trading at an average price of 62 cents. 40% of its 24-hour trade volume has been reduced, bringing it down to $1, 61 cents billion. The market capitalization of the token remains at $34 billion, even though it has fallen to the 6th position. Expected timeline for the Ripple scenario, the calendar that has been provided for the case indicates that the date of March 26 will be the date on which the commission will file a public version of the brief that has been redacted. The commission will also make any provisional redactions that were requested at the meet and confer. On the other hand, the commission will also submit exhibits that provide support. Ripple is going to submit a public and redacted version of its opposition brief and supporting documents on April 22. A public version will also be filed. This is the case unless they quote or include materials that have been designated as highly confidential or confidential by the SEC. If this occurs, the defendants will submit everything under seal by the 23rd of April. The United States Securities and Exchange Commission will submit its reply brief on May 6, 2024, and it will be under seal after holding a confirmed meeting on May 7 to view redactions. The commission will have a version of the reply brief and accompanying exhibits that have been redacted on May 8, 2024. This is a crucial fact to keep in mind. Both parties will move on with the filing of omnibus letter motions to seal all materials that are linked to proposed redactions after a significantly extended period of waiting. An important remedies briefing marks the beginning of a new phase in the ongoing legal dispute between Ripple Labs and the Securities and Exchange Commission. DNUSA documents that have been filed under seal with public versions that have been redacted anticipated by March 26, 2024, there is a possibility that the decision of the case will have significant repercussions for the Bitcoin business. Ripple Labs and the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) are making headway in their lawsuit as both parties prepare for a major remedies briefing. This opens the door for the possibility of repercussions for the cryptocurrency sector as a whole. The lawsuit between Ripple and the SEC has undergone significant developments. As the legal struggle becomes more intense, the recent filing made by the SEC represents a significant turning point in the proceedings. This action kicks off the remedies phase, which includes the outlines of important dates and files, such as Ripple's response, which is due in April, and the SEC's response, which is due in May. Dates of importance in the future of the litigation timeline, the calendar that has been given provides information on significant forthcoming events, such as the filing of public versions of briefs that have been redacted, as well as the anticipated timeline for Ripple's opposition and the SEC's subsequent response. Members of the cryptocurrency ecosystem are keeping a close eye on this phase because of the potential regulatory consequences. It may have implications for the development of the cryptocurrency industry. A precedent might be established for how digital assets are governed in the United States if the lawsuit is successful. This would have an effect not only on Ripple, but also on the entire cryptocurrency ecosystem. Watching the community and the market, many cryptocurrency aficionados and investors are keeping a close eye on the case, and many are speculating about how it will affect the value of XRP in the market as a whole. When it comes to cryptocurrencies, the SEC's regulatory approach is being put to the test by the recent developments in the legal system. As Ripple and the SEC prepare for the next key part of their legal struggle, the cryptocurrency community is waiting with bated breath to find out the outcome of the case. The proceedings are not just significant for Ripple and XRP, but they are also significant for the regulatory landscape of digital currencies in the future. And again, Binance, one of the major cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, has decided to stop providing support for transactions that include a digital stablecoin that is tied to the United States dollar on the Tron blockchain network. This move is a significant step within the cryptocurrency industry. On April 5 at 20 UTC, users of the Binance platform will no longer have the opportunity to deposit or withdraw this stablecoin via the Tron blockchain. This change will take effect immediately. Due to the absence of any stated justification behind the notification, people are left to conjecture about the reasons behind Binance's decision. This choice made by Binance is similar to a decision that was made not too long ago by Circle, a prominent cryptocurrency company based in Boston. Circle announced that it would no longer be minting USDC coins on the Tron blockchain. The company's had concerns about the integrity of the blockchain, as well as previous charges of fraudulent activity related to, which is Tron's native cryptocurrency. A prospective trend within the cryptocurrency sector is suggested by the action taken by Binance in response to Circle's action. This trend is characterized by big companies reevaluating their involvement in the market due to worries regarding the trustworthiness of specific blockchain networks. Additionally, Circle has decided to discontinue its support for USDC on Tron. Circle, which is widely acknowledged as one of the most important operators of stablecoins across the globe, has previously declared its intention to gradually discontinue support for the USD stablecoin on the Tron blockchain after making the announcement. The purpose of this strategic choice is to protect the trustworthiness, transparency, and security of USDC in the wake of concerns regarding Tron's integrity and prior charges of market manipulation. This decision is a part of Circle's comprehensive risk management structure. The action taken by Circle demonstrates how crucially important it is for the Bitcoin ecosystem to adhere to regulatory compliance and conduct comprehensive risk assessments inside the ecosystem. Circle has reaffirmed its steadfast dedication to broadening the availability of USDC across a variety of blockchain platforms, even though support for USDC has been discontinued on the Tron network. Moreover, Binance is encouraging customers to continue trading USDC, which is a positive development. Additionally, there will be no impact on the ability to make deposits and withdrawals of USDC through other supported networks. These sectoral trends and their potential future implications, the move made by Binance to stop allowing USDC transactions on the Tron network is reflective of a larger industry trend that is occurring within the virtual currency ecosystem.